Hi guys, thank you very much for coming back and watching my channel. On this video I want to show you how to do your eyebrows. Very easy and very quick, just very easy step how I do it. So first I'm gonna show you what my eyebrows look like now after makeup, after I do it. And now I'm gonna take it off my makeup eyebrow with this cosmetic wipe. Before I start, I'll show you there is only one tool you need. I use pencil from L'Oreal, that's Brow Artist Shaper. It's shade 03 Brunette, looks like this. So it's got a little brush there at the end, that's very good for correction. It's like little wax for correcting your mistakes, and that's the color. I'll put the little description down below or somewhere on this video. I'll write it down for you. I absolutely love this pencil. I've been using it for about 5 years now at least. This is the only thing I use. So I'll show you my eyebrows. They are normally not even there. So I'm gonna wipe it off. See? There is almost no eyebrows left. So that's the difference already. So I'm just gonna all wipe it off. So you can see I have almost no eyebrows. Okay, so this is my real eyebrow. Okay, so that's before, that's after. I'm gonna try to do it now, looking in the camera, and you'll see how easy it can be done. I've got two. I've got two. This one is smaller, and I'm using this one now, and this one is for the future. So I'm gonna use this that I normally use, like until this one is completely used up, and then I will use the new one. So I start normally. It's quite hard to do it without the mirror, to be honest. So that's my normal eyebrow with this pencil, and that's before. You can see I have no hair there at the end. It's very thin, it's got no shape. So I'm gonna show you in very short time how you can do it very quickly, so it looks very natural. It's already got better shape. I go slightly further than my eyebrow because it starts quite behind, quite late, quite further on. I create a little arch. It's quite hard to do it on a camera, to be honest. I'm doing it on my phone. So once I've got the shape, then I'm gonna fill it up. Also, you can make sure that this end is at the same position with the other eyebrow. We're doing both eyebrows at once. I'm gonna do just one now. Right, so once you've got that, then you just fill it in with the pencil. And it's got already shape, as you can see. I do only gentle strokes there at the beginning. I'm quite happy with this. If you see any mistakes, I'll just go with my finger like that. Now, once you've got a shape, what do? I take my other end of my pencil, brow pencil. As you can see, this seems slightly forward than the other, but it's on purpose because I'm gonna blend it now with the other end with the brush. You'll see you only need one tool to do it. Which is amazing. So that's 3 things in one. That's a pencil, the brush for smoothing things out, and corrector. Wax corrector, I mean. Almost there. Well, doesn't look properly now at all. Then I just pat it up with my finger just to slightly blend it in my skin. It's quite important. I just pat it in with my finger. Well, it's gonna look slightly different, I think, because I'm doing it on my camera. Considering I'm doing it on my camera, it's not too bad. That's what I normally do anyway. And slightly higher there, so they are both symmetrical. So if you want to correct something, you take the other end, the wax corrector, and you just wipe it off underneath. Anything that you are not happy with. And then I just wipe it in my hand. The color that's left on my corrector. I think I've done a pretty good job. What do you think? So I still want to do something more, like a little bit of arch. Can still do more arch. Yep, I'm quite happy with that. So I think it's all done. This is how easy I do my eyebrows. Let me know what you think, guys. That's a very easy step. Just with one stick, you only need one tool. There is 3 in 1. There's pencil with a color, there's corrector as well, wax corrector, and then there's brush. And then all I need to do is like pat it up, just to blend it. And that's pretty much it. Simple as that. Simple as 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. If I was useful or if I gave you a useful tip and it was helpful, let me know. And if you like my video, give me a like, subscribe if you like, and leave me some comments down below. I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye.